In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a task to another list. If you're reorganizing your projects or simply tidying up, moving a task between lists keeps everything neat and easy to find. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in just a minute or two. First, open the Google Tasks app on your phone or tablet. Give it a second to load your tasks. If you use more than one Google account, make sure you're looking at the account where the task lives so you see the right lists and items. A quick glance at the profile icon can help you confirm you're in the right place. Next, tap the list where the task currently is. Your lists might appear in a sidebar or along the top depending on your device and app version, but you're looking for the one that contains the task you want to move. Once you're in the correct list, you should see all the tasks associated with it. Now tap the specific task you want to copy. This opens the task details view where you can see the title, any notes, due date, time, and subtasks. This is the place where you make changes to the task, so it's where you'll find the option to send it to another list. Look for the Move to Control. It typically appears as a small drop-down arrow or chevron right beside the current list name at the top of the task details. Tap that arrow. This brings up a menu that shows all the other lists available in your Google Tasks. If you don't immediately see the option, gently scroll within the task details. Sometimes the interface tucks it just below the first few fields. From the menu, select the list you want to copy the task to. Tap the destination list's name, and the app will place the task there. In most cases, the task's key details, like its title, notes, and due date, stay intact, so you don't have to retype anything. It's always a good idea to peek at the destination list afterward to confirm the task appears exactly the way you expect. That's all there is to it. Open Google Tasks, go to the list that holds your item, open the task, tap the Move to drop-down beside the current list, and choose the list you want. With this quick workflow, you can keep tasks organized as your priorities change without losing track of important details. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more organized task setup.